Dear viewers, this is Videos Explorer and you are welcome to our channel. Since the outbreak of novel coronavirus pandemic is severed across the globe, the demand of hand sanitizers is also increased. However, sanitizers of multifarious brands are out of stock in the markets owing to COVID-19 pandemic. But you don't need to be panicked because we are going to explore very simple and easy procedure of making homemade hand sanitizer in this video. Before moving forward, kindly subscribe our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon for our upcoming informative and interesting videos. Here we go. These are the ingredients. Let me tell you one by one. Number 1, methylated spirit or alcohol. Number 2, glycerine. Number 3, aloe vera gel. Number 4, vitamin E or Evian 400 mg capsules. Number 5, rosewater or rosewater spray. Number 6, fresh lemon, which is optional. Number 7, Dettol, this is also optional. First of all, you have to cut the aloe vera fresh leaf from the aloe vera plant. Cut it from the stem from where it is grown. After cutting the aloe vera fresh leaf, you have to wash it under the running water meticulously. Now coming to the steps. Step number 1. Extraction of aloe vera gel. Extract aloe vera gel from the aloe vera plant in a bowl. Do it carefully. After extracting aloe vera gel, you have to reduce or mitigate its thickness. Use a blender for this purpose. However, if you don't have any aloe vera plant in your home or nearby, you can simply buy aloe vera gel from market, which is easily available. Extract the aloe vera gel with the help of fork. Do it carefully. Step 2. Methylated spirit 60 ml. As we are going to make 120 ml hand sanitizers, therefore, according to the World Health Organization's formula, Methylated spirit should be at least 60 ml. Now pour 60 ml of methylated spirit in a bowl. Use a clean and hygienic syringe for measurement purpose. Here we are using 5 ml syringe, while you can use even a bigger than this. Methylated spirit is the cleaning agent which will help in removing stain. It also helps in killing bacteria. Step 3. Glycerine 25 ml. Add 25 ml of glycerine to the same bowl. Use a 5 ml syringe or bigger syringe for measurement purpose. Glycerine treats skin infection. It also keeps the skin moist, soft, and supple. Glycerine also helps in killing bacteria. Step 4. Aloe vera gel 25 ml. Add 25 ml of fresh aloe vera gel to the same mixture. Before adding aloe vera gel, make it sure that you have mitigated or reduced the thickness of aloe vera gel with the help of blender. Aloe vera contains antioxidant and antibacterial properties. It has also the healing properties. Moreover, it is highly recommended for skin care. Shake the mixture well with the help of spoon. Step 5. Rosewater 10 ml. We are adding 10 ml of rosewater to the mixture. While this step is totally optional, we are doing this step for the fragrance purpose. Add the rosewater as a fragrance agent. It will give a pleasing smell to the hand sanitizer. Step 6. Evian 400 mg 2 capsules. Here we are adding 2 capsules of vitamin E or Evian 400 mg. Cut the capsules from one end meticulously with the help of scissor and squeeze the capsules in the mixture. It is largely used for skin care. It has dramatical qualities for keeping skin fresh and secure from all diseases. Step 7. Fresh lemon 10 drops. Again, this step is optional. We are adding fresh juice of lemon for fragrance purpose. Step 8. Dettol 5 drops. Now this is completely and fully prepared hand sanitizer. Nevertheless, for more satisfaction result, we are adding 5 drops of Dettol. Consequently, shake it or beat it with the help of teaspoon to mix the mixture well. You can see that how reliably we made this fully effective and highly hygienic homemade hand sanitizer. It is now ready to use. Look at the shining and clearness. Now pour the hand sanitizer into a clean spray bottle. This is now fully hygienic and highly effective homemade hand sanitizer, which we prepared under the directions and formula told by World Health Organization and other chemical experts. Now coming to the last step, which is step 10, label the bottle. Use your printer or you can simply label it with the help of marker. Label the bottle with proper tag. Dear viewers, you watched it that how easily we prepared this sanitizer. Just follow the steps carefully and make this fully hygienic and highly effective homemade hand sanitizer at your own home. And get rid of costly sanitizers of markets. Take care of your health and use hand sanitizer frequently. Goodbye till our next video. If you liked this video, then share it with your loved ones and subscribe our channel for more informative and interesting videos.